Good morning. Are you Takarian Gilbos? Excuse me. And this is 21-36753. Ms. Gilbo is charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. 2021.
Yeah.
What is the announcement?
If we could get one more reset, Your Honor. I have met with her. We have received an offer from the state. We just need to have some time to review, and we'll be prepared to do something.
Sure. I'm going to do a normal. Any issues?
No, Judge, and the other two co-defendants have been disposed of.
Okay. Thank you. I'm going to reset your case about 30 days or so. Make sure you call, make an appointment, visit with Ms. Holmes before that next court day. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Y'all free to go.
Knock on wood. It's supposed to
All right, sir, are you Aaron Shetley?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, and so, Mr. Shetley, in cause number 24, DCCR 0776, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of assault, family violence by impeding breath.
This courtroom is where lives change forever. One decision, one moment, and everything can either fall apart or be rebuilt from nothing. And today is no different as another life stands on the edge of judgment.
Circulation from October 22nd of 2022. And what that means, sir, is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I have here a plea bargain rejection that you've signed that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty in your case.
Just a part, Judge. I didn't put a term.
Okay.
We did.
Deferred probation. Okay, so for deferred probation, which is, I'm sure you've talked with your attorney, is a type of probation where you don't have a felony conviction on your record if you successfully complete it. You have every right to reject that offer and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial and what your options are if you wanted to plead guilty. And do you understand?
Christopher Davis stands there asking for more time due to medical issues, but the judge makes it clear that justice cannot pause forever and decisions must be made no matter the situation.
All of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
That's correct.
All right, we'll get it set for trial. Obviously, if something changes with any negotiation, y'all let me know as quickly as you can before trial. All right, thank you, sir. Stay in touch with
Thanks.
Mr. Walker. He'll let you know when to come back.
The defense brings up CT scan abnormalities, hoping for sympathy. But in this courtroom, emotions don't control outcomes. Facts, history, and law decide everything.
The paperwork on that?
She was standing outside.
I think they called her name. I know they called her name.
Called her name?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
No, her name was called, and I guess I can explain it to her in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, just
All right.
give me just a second. We need a sentencing on Timoteo Castaneda, please. Good morning, sir. Are you Timoteo Castaneda? And Mr. Castaneda was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to indecency with a child by sexual contact. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
We have, Your Honor. No additions or corrections.
Same Penn State, Your Honor.
All right. Any reason not to go forward with sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No.
All right, sir. I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 10 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. That will include being on the sex offender caseload and following through with any required treatment. They will also do a substance abuse assessment to see if there's any treatment needed for that. Whether you think you need it or not, if they say there's treatment needed, you will be ordered to.
The judge reviews his long past and notices something important. These are old cases, and sometimes the system allows space for a second chance instead of immediate punishment.
Follow through with any recommendations. You're also to abstain from the use of all intoxicating substances, including alcohol. If there's any issues with your ability to do that, talk to probation and they'll get you the help that you need. Finally, in addition to the other regular conditions, you will have no contact at all with Saul Villalobos. That's obviously in person. That's through any other means. You can't send messages, electronic contact, anything like that. If you do everything that you're supposed to correctly.
This is the turning point right here. The judge isn't just handing down rules, she's laying out a roadmap. Follow it, and this case disappears. Mess it up, and everything comes crashing back, possibly worse than before. That's the gamble with probation. Freedom with conditions. Interview
on your probation, then this is a great opportunity, because at the end of your probation, the case will actually be dismissed and you won't have the felony conviction on your record. The other side of that, however, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court and you could be
View 1, and there it is. The Courtroom Balancing Act. Accountability without immediate incarceration. It's a calculated risk by the judge, betting that structure and supervision can succeed where punishment alone might fail. But let's be real, cases like this come with intense scrutiny and zero margin for error.
found
Instead of sending him to prison, the judge gives a suspended sentence with probation, showing that sometimes accountability can open the door to redemption.
guilty and facing a sentence anywhere in the range of punishment, which is between 2 years and up to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yeah, it's funny.
You already signed and went over the sex offender registration requirements paperwork. It is very important that you keep up with that and make sure that you're registered appropriately at the right place, right time every year, okay? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. You just need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation will call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork.